Boost My Child's School Assessment module is along the NEP-NCF ECCE guidelines and is developed by a team of leading educators, pediatricians, and child development experts. On login in, the teacher lands on her dashboard where she can see her personal classroom as well as other classrooms she is associated with. Here statistics show the average development of her classroom covering 6 categories and 21 development areas. Upon clicking on her classroom, the teacher can see the list of students in her classroom. She can see which assessments are pending, in progress, and completed based on the color coding scheme. On clicking on a category for any student, the teacher can then choose a development area in that category. The teacher can select or deselect milestones that are achieved or not achieved by the student, based on her observations. This causes the scale to move, highlighting if the student's development is on track, needs encouragement, or is lagging. Photos of the student doing some action or activity can be captured and tagged to the development area. Relevant photos can be uploaded to the server and can be later added to the student's digital portfolio. If required, the teacher can adjust the scoring scale and then save the assessment. The assessment is marked as completed and appropriate colors get updated to reflect those assessments that are done. The graph icon provided in the student list screen allows the teacher to view the assessment results of each category. On selecting a category, the results of its individual development areas can be viewed. These results are made available to parents on the Boost My Child Parent app. The digital portfolio for each student can be accessed by clicking on the name in the student listing. The teacher can include remarks from predefined texts for each development area and also add her own comments. The teacher can include uploaded photos in the digital portfolio which can be viewed digitally by parents via the Boost My Child Parent app. Similarly, parents' assessments of their child are accessible for the teacher on the school module dashboard. With collated average scores, PTM meetings become more productive and beneficial. Boost My Child's artificial intelligence-based technology allows teachers and parents to collaborate toward each child's holistic development.